Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you, as I did last year also, I'm going to show you how to grow plants from the tomato. So here is the tomato, which I have cut in slices. I selected one tomato and cut in slices. And then this is the dirt already in this gamla. So I'm just putting it like this, like you put on the hamburger, like this. After that, I've done this. Now I'm going to put dirt on it to cover it up. So what's going to happen is the seed which was inside these tomatoes, it's going to grow. I have done that last year also. And I grew the tomatoes all over because of this. So once the tomatoes grow, I will separate them. And then replant them somewhere else. So this is the easier way of doing it. You can have seed of the tomato you like. You bring one big tomato and you just put in the dirt, put dirt on it, put water on it, and it's all done. And then you watch when the plants grow up like this big, then you take them out and put them in the other place. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum. This is the update I'm going to give you. If you remember 2-3 weeks ago, I took the tomatoes and cut in slices and put it down in this pot. And then I covered it with the dust. And now you see, this is the areas where all the tomatoes are coming up. Now this was I think it was a big boy tomato. So this was my favorite tomato, pretty big. So all these tomato plants which are coming now, what I'm going to do is, once they go a little bit more bigger, I'll separate them and put them up in the garden itself. So I want to show you, this is a very good way of growing tomatoes. So I wanted to give you a follow-up on that. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. This is Masood Hashmi again. I wanted to show you today what I showed you before, that I sliced the tomatoes before and I put it down in this pot and put a dirt on it. And then I want to show you how many tomatoes grew from there. So this is really from a tomato. I did not buy them from the bazaar. So you see all these tomatoes. Now from there, I took these tomatoes out and started putting in my garden. So I'll show you today what do I do. So this is one tomato. See, I took it out with this root. So I'm going to show you, show you in this pot. So here's the pot. I already have the dirt in it and I also put water in it. So then the thing I do, this is cow manure, black cow manure. So I put the cow manure in, and then I put this in there, and then close it, cow manure. So you want to, this is regular dirt. You want to bury it really deep. You want to bury this really deep, all the way down. See, really deep. After that, I'm going to give water to this plant. Now the best time to plant is either way early in the morning or way late in the evening, so the sun doesn't bother this. Otherwise, they get burned. You see, on all these gamlas, I have these tomatoes which I took out from that tomato, from there. So I have put them all in these pots. Let me show you more here. see this? These are all tomatoes. I took it out of this pot and put them on here. So with one tomato, which I sliced, I got almost hundreds of tomatoes, and then I grew them here. So you should take a tomato which you like a big boy or beef or whatever tomato you like. You cut it in the pieces and put it that in the beginning of the weather, so that you can grow them in your own garden. Thank you very much.